This is Janvi Bharadwaj. I am an experiential learning facilitator. Looking at your profile and how many ways, like more than 18 ways of actually generating quality leads, is something that was really eye-opening. Okay, these many ways I can generate lead, not just the premium service request or just posting things.
LinkedIn audit, the gap, how to fill the gaps.
Then identifying our avatar, that is our target audience.
Target audience, their pain points, and how
to create the offer.
And different ways to generate leads.
Taking the offer and pricing and directly reaching out to customer via whichever is your suitable mode on LinkedIn.
Creating banner and the call of action on the banner was a takeaway moment for me.
That I think we've all realized that there is a lot of scope in LinkedIn that we haven't even touched the surface of. I felt that you talked very practically in terms of LinkedIn. Most of the sessions are, unfortunately, whenever we start, we talk a lot in theory. But you directly jumped on to the point. You exactly showed us. You also showed us how to use ChatGPT in a better way. We just ask questions and we leave it. That was an eye-opener.
During the workshop, it showed me exactly who I was meant to serve. Within 2 weeks, I got 3 inbound DMs and booked my first $2,000 coaching client.
How each step on our LinkedIn profile, every section can become a lead magnet. Every section can be a touch point for clients. I think overall, it's been such an insightful journey for somebody who just used LinkedIn as a profile. Hey, it's for connecting. That okay, my authority is there. I now realize the value of LinkedIn and how to work towards maximizing it to bring clients. Basically, use it as an lead magnet for my clients.
After applying the profile funnel formula and authority inventory, now I get study DMs, booked 6 discovery calls in 10 days, and even got invited to speak at a virtual summit.
And 2 clients came directly from my posts.
So one is I have to improve my LinkedIn profile based on that score that you gave. You specifically mentioned, improve the banner, improve few other things. So that is very clear. Then how I can tailor my offering to my niche or to my audience. So that is another bonus out of this. And obviously, understanding my own niche, because I thought I was offering everything to everybody. Now I know that I need to concentrate on few niche programs to my target audience. So thank you very much.
After the workshop, I walked out with full clarity on my needs, my offer, and the tools to scale, not just theory. Within 3 weeks, I signed 2 new clients and completely rebuilt my brand message.
Oh my God, it's so.
Yes, Tina is here.
मैं जा रही हूँ. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. Then I'll just share something, very personally with you right now. Personally with you and all the members who are here. That many people are cheating and looting lot of trainers. And मतलब बहुत रेयर है कि जो वैल्यू दे रहे हैं जिसमें एक्चुअली उनकी ग्रोथ हो रही है. सो कीप अप द गुड वर्क. ट्रस्ट मी, ये जो आपने आज दिया है ना, आई वाज थिंकिंग ये ही जो 4 घंटे वो मस्ट बी 2000 3000. नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव पर्सनली अटेंडेड प्रोग्राम्स जो 12,000 में दे रहे हैं. ये सब 12,000 15,000 दे चार्जिंग एंड दे आर नॉट गिविंग दिस मच वैल्यू ऑल्सो. So it's a very, very noble job which you're doing, Dr. Ashim. I'll tell you that. Dil se I'm thanking you.